So to make your composables reusable, it is important that you don't declare the state and then the handlers directly inside the composable. You need to move them to their parent. Okay, so to make your composables more usable, like to be able to use it at other places, more than one places at the same time, you have to move the state and then the handlers outside of the composable. So what we do here, that we are directly passing the state inside this composable and then handling the logic right here is a bad design. This makes this component hard to reuse. So if you want to make it user friendly, the best way is to move the handlers and then the state outside of this component. Then you can easily use them. Example, for the email, you can make it a parameter like this, email as string, and then you pass on email change. So whenever the email change, what you want, you pass it there. So instead of doing this, you pass this email instead. So we'll comment this one and then use this email. And then in the handler, instead of writing the logic directly here, you use the on email change. So whichever component or composable that will call this login screen will handle the logic over there. So as of now, you see that there's error in the main activity and then the preview. So to handle that, you can just handle the email and then say is equal to. In the preview, you can do like this. Okay. Then in the main activity where it is called, you can just handle the email like this. You can write the logic to handle the email here. This makes it reusable and very clean. So in the next video, we'll look at how to build multiple screens. So far, our application only contains one screen. Let's see how we can build app that contains multiple screens and then navigate between them. Like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.